Somebody wanted to make a guest appearance. Say hi to Kitty. She's very shy. She doesn't really like cameras. Say hello, mamas. Look. Say hello. My cutie baby. This is my first child. I do have another. She's a turtle. And her name is Rudy. But I can't really take her out at the moment. If you do want to see videos of her, please let me know. She is getting bigger, so I'm super excited for those journeys as well. This is my big old Buka, my Buka baby. I love you. She wants to get down. Yeah, she's a big baby. Hey guys, what's up? What's happening? Welcome back to another video, and welcome if you are new. Today, if you read the title of the video, I will be doing an unboxing of, you guessed it, FentySkin. Yeah! I'm super excited to open this stuff up because I've been waiting on this for a long time. Like, I was like, girl, when is she gonna put out a skincare line? Like, I'm all for the makeup, but I don't wear makeup constantly. I really like to take care of my skin. I like to invest in my skincare, making sure my skin stays bright and healthy and glowy and all that good stuff. So, without any further ado, let's get right into this video. So, first, I have the box. I already just opened the top, and it's already beautiful, okay? Like, shout out to Riri for all of the designs. Like, whoever her designers are for this line, they're amazing. Okay, we got some paper up in here that we don't need, so and here's all the products. I'm so excited, okay? And I have the invoice right here telling me what everything is. So I got the Total Cleanser Remove It All Cleanser, the Fat Water Pore Refining Toner Serum, and the Hydra Vizor Invisible SPF Moisturizer. So you already know this stuff is about to pop, because each one of these products is a 2-in-1. What? Just take that in. 2-in-1. Every single product. Every one. So first things first is the Total Cleanser. This is what it looks like. Has the FentySkin logo on it. Very pretty. Has directions and instructions on the back. Just very nice, sleek design. And y'all know purple is my favorite color. Honestly, I have purple nails, purple leggings on right now. We out here with it. So yes, this is a cleanser and a makeup remover, which is really, really cool. Like, I've never seen anything like this in dear life. No one has, really. And I pray to God that it works. And I will be doing a review video. Please post your comments down below in the comment section, letting me know what you guys want to see next from me, and I will surely get on it. So next is the Fat Water. Huh? I know it's not what you think. Fat Water. Look at how nice. Like, this looks like something straight out of Umbrella Corps lab. Feel me? Like, oh my god. This looks awesome. So this is a toner and a face serum. Yo, I don't have no words for that. A toner and a serum, and it looks so fluid. Like, it doesn't look sticky or anything like that. And I believe each one of these has like a function. I'll get to that when I get to the last product. But man, I'm excited. I'm excited. Let's get into the next one. So this is the moisturizer. It came in a box. Interesting. So I'm gonna, okay, there's a tab up here blocking my way.
Fuck out the way!
From getting to the good stuff. Okay, so there's 2 parts to this. Okay, so this is the module. Very cute, very sleek. Like, all the designs are just so beautiful. Like, And you can tell they put a lot of thought into this. Like, and for it to be so inexpensive, you can't beat that. And this is the moisturizer itself. It looks awesome. And I guess you put it inside. Pause. Ooh, so when you hear it click, that's when you know it's ready to go. And then, hold on. There's instructions. Insert, twist to close. So you have to twist the bottom. So the bottom has a little feature here that when you turn it, wrong way. Ooh, so it closes. So there's no waste of product. That is innovative, okay? I ain't never ever seen nothing like this in my life, okay? Okay, so I believe they all have a function like this. It's a twist to close type situation. So the toner also has that function. So there's the hole at the top here. Oh, I don't know if you can see that real good. Oh, yeah, you don't like that. And then you twist it to open. And you can tell because it's loose here. And when you hear it click, it means it's closed. There's nothing getting out of it. So when you open it, twist to open, twist to close. Wow. And I'm sure the cleanser does the same thing. Yep, there's a hole at the top. Oh, Jesus, focus. Right there. And you twist to open, twist to close. That is so innovative. Go Riri. Like, kudos to her for really coming up with this line. I'm super excited to use it, and I can't wait to do this review for you guys. So, I've been doing a lot with natural things for my skin, and if you guys want to see that video again, please comment down below and make sure that I see it, and I will definitely get on that video for sure. Those videos, because there's a lot of steps that go into keeping my skin healthy and my hair as well. If you do want to see hair videos, please let me know. I just completed this style right here. These are my mini twists. This is my go-to style. Every year I wear this style at least 10 times a year. In between that, I do other natural styles as well. My hair is actually going on 2 years of growth. I cut my hair off in 2018, summer 2018, and it is now back this healthy and this thick. Like, girl, that's a whole nother story for another day. But if you guys want to see those videos, please let me know down in the comments below. And really, that is all for this unboxing. This is like innovative stuff, honestly, and I cannot wait to use these products. And if Rihanna ever sees this video, girl, I'm your biggest fan. And this stuff right here, I shall be anointed. Huh? I will see you guys in my next video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys very, very soon. Alright. Peace.